Good morning, traders. Hope you had a wonderful weekend and didn't do anything I wouldn't do. So you can do what you like, pretty much. Today is Monday, the 8th of May. And as always, we're going to look back at Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades. And we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Can I just first start by saying Friday was a wonderfully profitable day. Yeah, at the start of the week, guys, yeah, it was difficult. Yeah, it was having some losing trades, but by the end of the week, constant winning trades. And it just goes to show, guys, you've just got to keep trading your edge. Your edge is a combination of your trading system, your strategy, your psychology, your emotions, and your money management, your risk management. If you can get all of these things working together, you will start seeing consistency. So those things are your trading edge. We always talk about the edge in trading, and it's that, guys. It's a combination of those things. So, if you are having a tough week, then just keep focusing on those things, because we turned around a tough week and made it a brilliant week, a very profitable week last week, guys. All right. So yeah, keep trading your system. So guys, yeah, one of the good trades from Friday, they were all good, was this. It was Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. And we were looking to short this pair. It's a bit of a weekly play because you can see on the weekly chart, this grey zone through here. This is support, support, yeah? Price came up, tested this, good support, came up again, tested it, good support, but then broke down. And when support breaks down, it then becomes very good resistance. And sure enough, we've had a reaction off that level. We go back to the day chart now. Yeah, this grey zone here, yeah, is that level. This grey zone through here is that level. So we were just seeing price get back to these highs. And then we saw this bearish candle form. Okay, and we were just trying to look for shorts from one of our grey zones, take it back down to this blue line, and then even this blue line here. These blue lines are my higher time frame targets, guys. And then look at the candle we got. Yeah, there was some good news come out on Canadian dollar as well. This obviously helped the trade, but yeah, look at that. I mean, we would, if you're still in the trade for 20%, then keep carrying on. Yeah, this looks like it's coming down further. So let's look at the H1 and see how we could get in on this pair. So as I said, guys, we had two grey zones we could look at. We had this grey zone. Yeah, we never got a reaction. Remember, guys, once price reaches our grey zone, our entry, our zones of entry, our support and resistance zones, we need a reaction. If I'm looking to sell this pair and I do not get a reaction, I am not interested. All right? Keeps you out of trouble, guys. So in this first grey zone, no reaction, no trade. But then in this second grey zone, wonderful reaction, wonderfully bearish reaction. Enter here, put your stop above here. And then look, guys, it just comes tumbling down for the rest of the day. It's even broken this low here. We can leave that 20% to run, guys. Because what I normally do is close 80% of the trade at my first target and then leave 20% to run. All right, guys. So, yeah, great trade. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar short. Well done, us. The next one was this. It was another Canadian dollar pair. Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, guys, let's start with the day chart. And what were we seeing? So on the day chart, we were clearly seeing an uptrend. Yeah, you don't have to be Warren Buffett to see that is in an uptrend. And then we had this bullish candle that was forming at this area of support. Historically, it proved to be good support. Okay, so it will be good support in the future, more than likely. All right, and then bang, look at that candle. Yeah, very bullish. If you're in it still, guys, for 20%, as I am, keep trading it up to these highs. All right, so yeah, that was the idea. and you can see we had a great reaction. Again, you know, we did have good news on the Canadian dollar, but yeah, good trade. And what was I looking for? It's moved up so much, it's difficult for me to zoom in. And if you remember me saying, guys, on Friday, all I was looking for was this, guys. So price was in a H1 downtrend. Okay, until we get a break of these highs. And as I said, guys, all I want is a bullish candle that pushes away from this grey zone. And that's exactly what we got. Entered here, put my stop below here, and look at that. Yeah, nice trade. Yeah, I took some profit at this last high here. Okay, and then let 20% run. All right, guys. So, yeah, I mean, it happened pretty much exactly as we expected. Yeah, this candle was a lovely entry candle. But, yeah, another good trade on Friday, guys. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen buy. I hope you took this trade. And if you did take any of the trade, guys, and maybe you made some money, then why not leave us a comment? Yeah, tell us how you traded it, what candle you got in. We'd love to hear from you. So yeah, Canadian, Japanese yen, another good trade. What was the last one? Pound, Swiss franc. This was another wonderful trade. I was actually hedging this trade. So I got out of my hedge, added another buy to this pair, and again, I had a very profitable trade. Like I say, it was an excellent finish to the week, guys. So why were we long in this? Well, the higher time frame view is that this is in a range. Yeah, potentially we can take it back up to the top of this range. Yeah, so that's the first thing I'm seeing. Secondly, we have clearly had a break in structure. Yeah, we were getting lower lows, lower highs, didn't make a lower low. Yeah, and then price broke up, breaking this high. And then all I was looking for, ever since whenever I get a break of a high like this and a structure break, I'm just looking for how can I get in a buy? Yeah, and I'm generally looking for H1 structure. So price comes back down, you know, it retraces quite a bit, but then look at the reaction we get. Okay, so we were trying to buy this pair for those reasons, and we had this bullish candle as well. Okay, so we just wanted to see this happen, and look at that trade. Yeah, shot up Friday. I'm going to start calling it shot up Fridays. All right, guys, and now you can clearly see higher lows, higher highs. The definition of an upward channel. Yeah, look at that. So we can expect this kind of price action. Yeah. All right, let's look at the H1 now to see how we got in on this pair. And it happened early on, guys. The price action gave us our move earlier. So it's difficult to zoom in, guys, because the move was so aggressive. But like I say, once I have my daily bias, yeah, to buy, which I have with pound Swiss franc, I'm then looking on the H1 chart to look for my entry. And I like to be with H1 structure. I like H1 structure as much as I like football and vodka together at the same time. Right. Yeah, we was in a downtrend, and then bang, ever since we broke this high, yeah, here, we have been in a H1 uptrend. Okay, and then this structure doesn't change. Even though we get this wick lower, it still holds with these lows. So at this point, we were still in an uptrend. I actually entered here. Okay, I put this trade in my VIP Discord channel. If you're interested in receiving my trading alerts, guys, as and when they happen, then check out the VIP Discord. You have to join the free Discord first of all, and then you can join the VIP Discord. You do have to pay for the VIP Discord, but lots of cool perks, lots of added value in the VIP Discord. So yeah, we entered here. Let me zoom in and tell you why I entered here. It's like I say, it's difficult to zoom in because we had also like a mini structure break as well, because this H1 structure, when I got a break here, of these highs, and then we got a little bit of a retest. I entered here, and then bang. Yeah, the trade couldn't go in our direction quick enough. But yeah, great. And put a stop below here because this is the last swing low on the H1. Yeah, and it was a great trade, guys. Yeah, and then leave 20% to run. All right. So yeah, all trades on Friday were fantastic. Yeah, we had a great day, guys. I hope you did too. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed Friday's recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash that like button. Come join us. We would love to have you. Itchy nose. Right, guys, so trades for Monday, the 8th of May, guys. Before I show you my trade ideas and what I'm looking at, just a few things to mention. First of all, if you haven't joined our free Discord, then come join it. Loads of cool things on there. Why not join it? It's free. We also have VIP Discord, guys. You do have to pay for VIP Discord, but you get my trade ideas. You get how I hedge and wash trades. We have a performance coach. There's lots of added value to the VIP Discord. Come join it. Secondly, if you would like to be mentored, coached by myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information about the mentorship program. Thirdly, guys, if you would just like to support the channel, yeah, if you enjoy the videos every day, you can support our channel by becoming a YouTube member. Okay, so yeah, check that out. Some great perks to becoming a member as well. You get exclusive content, so check that out. And lastly, guys, don't forget live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, not Friday, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Just before the New York Open, we can analyze the markets together, so join us for that. Right, enough of all that. Let's look at today's trades. Before we start with today's trades, also, guys, I want to talk about trading your edge. I mentioned it in the recap. I want to mention it again. So what is your edge? People talk about the edge. So your edge is a combination of all of these things. So it's your trading system, your strategy, it's your money and risk management, and it's your trading psychology and your emotions. Okay, it's a mixture of all of these things and how you combine them that gives you your edge. Okay, those are the pillars of your edge. And last week, guys, was a perfect example of where I just kept trading my edge. I'm not telling you this to pat me on the back. I'm telling you this because it's a good learning curve. So at the start of the week, guys, I had losing trades. I was still trading my system, but I had losing trades. So you're going to have days like that. Yeah. The thing you can't do is let that get on top of you and start second guessing yourself, straying from your strategy, getting very emotional. These are the things you can't do. All right. So keep trading your edge. And by the end of the week, guys, we just had winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. I also took myself out of losing trades by hedging, washing the trade, hedging the trade. If you don't know what that is, guys, check out my VIP Discord. I talk about that a lot, about washing trades back into profit. So by the end of the week, guys, we had a fantastic week. Again, I'm not doing this to pat me on the back, but keep trading your edge. Yeah, don't let anything let you stray off the path of your edge. Okay, guys, so yeah, rant over. I apologize, it's Monday morning and I'm ranting like a madman, but honestly, guys, just keep trading your system, and yeah, the profits will take care of themselves. So what started as a bad week was a fantastic week by the end of it. Anyway, trade ideas. So today there are literally many trades I can pick. I've narrowed it down to 3. But generally speaking, we saw euro weakness on Friday because of last week because of that interest rate decision and the press conference. But we also saw Canadian dollar strength. So euro Canadian dollar makes sense to short this. This is one of my trade ideas. We also saw a lot of yen weakness towards the end of the week and Canadian dollar strength. So Canadian Japanese yen is one of my trade ideas. All right. So that's my overlook on the markets. But let's go into individual trades now. So this is the first one, guys. Euro against the Canadian dollar. And we are looking to short this pair. All right. So we were in an uptrend. Okay, we had a bit of a range here, but then back. We were in an uptrend, you know, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, we were in an uptrend. But price, this area up here is weekly resistance. Yeah, it's no surprise we've had a big reaction at weekly resistance. All right. And we didn't make higher highs. If we don't make higher highs in an uptrend, always a red flag. And then price has come tumbling down ever since. A little bit news-led as well, but nonetheless, we've had a break in structure. So as soon as we break these lows, we are now in a downtrend. We've got lower lows. Okay, so we're just looking to short this pair back down to this area of support. Also, guys, we look at structure, also look at candlesticks. Look at that candlestick. That is one of the most bearish candlesticks I have seen in the history of trading. Both of these, look at this one. Super bearish, super bearish. So we're just looking for a retrace and then to take this lower. All right, guys, so shorting it. Those are my reasons. Let's look at the H1 now. Okay, so what do we want to see? Yeah, okay, so we want to see a move back up into this grey zone. Okay, we want to see a retrace so we can get some value. And then it also coincides with the moving average 20, which I like. We get a bearish reaction. We can then enter this pair and take it lower. Okay. Or price could retrace up into this grey zone. Let me zoom out a little bit just so you can see this grey zone here. You know, we've had price react in this grey zone as well. So, yeah, price could, yeah, I don't expect it to because that candle is so bearish, the daily candle, but it could retrace back up to here and then we take price lower. But I expect price to retrace into this grey zone. Get a bearish reaction, take it lower. All right, so euro Canadian dollar, we're looking to short that pair. We're also looking to buy Canadian yen. Yeah, we were buying this on Friday. There's no reason why we can't keep buying it. So why are we buying it? Well, it's very clear. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay, in an uptrend. And we've got a super duper bullish candle. All right. So the idea is just to take it back up to these highs. Yeah, this 101.50 level. Yeah, just below it. I love a psychological level. So that's what we're trying to do. Let's look at the H1 now. Again, we need a bit of a retrace. So I would like to see a price retrace into this grey zone. So you can see prices reacted in this grey zone before. I want to see a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, I want to see a bullish reaction. And then we can look to take price back up to those daily highs. Okay, so yeah, we need a retrace just so it gives us some value. There's no value entering here. Yeah, but if we get a retrace, a reaction, yeah, we are all over this. Okay, so this area here is the zone I'm looking at for buys. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, buy. And also, guys, this trade, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. You could pretty much trade, yeah, any of the yen pairs. Yeah, so because they were all in uptrends, they've had a retrace, and now we can take them back up to the highs. But out of all the yen pairs, I like CAD yen and this one, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Let's have a look here. So let's start with the day chart. What are we seeing? So we are seeing clearly prices in an uptrend. Yeah. And we've had a reaction at this area of support and the moving average 20. Okay, we like this. We like both of those things. And if I really zoom in, let's take a look at the candle. You can see we've had a huge wick and rejection at that level. I know it's a red candle, but this is a bullish candle for me just because of that wick. Yeah, that's telling me buyers are rejecting that level and pushing it back up very aggressively. So the idea is just to take price potentially back up to these highs. Excuse my arrow, I've been drinking. Yeah, so let's put that target in. Where are we? Yeah, okay. So yeah, 153.39. Yeah, that's what I would be aiming for, guys. If we drop down to the H1 now, what am I looking for? So yeah, it's my strategy is no secret, guys. Yeah, I just trade my edge, yeah, which I spoke about earlier. And all I'm looking for is a H1 structure break. So currently you can see we're in a downtrend. Yeah. Yeah, potentially it does this, but then all I want to see, guys, is a break of this smaller grey zone. Yeah, once we get a break of that, we have had a change in H1 structure. As soon as we get a break, yeah, I'm entering. Yeah, we can also enter on the retrace as well, but I'm entering. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, guys, is take price back up to this level here. All right, so yeah, break of this grey zone, potential retest, and then we'll get into the trade, take it back up to this level. Okay, guys, so Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we're looking to buy. Like I say, guys, any of the yen pairs, we can start looking for buys as well. What else was I looking at today? Yeah, I mean, Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, they're both short ideas. Yeah. Because of that Canadian dollar strength. And guys, if you would like my trade ideas as and when they happen, then you can join the VIP Discord. Yeah, so check that out. Join the Discord first of all, and then join that. Okay, guys. So yeah, those are all the trade ideas and everything I'm looking at today. If you've enjoyed my analysis, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash the like button, guys. We'd love to have you join us. Join the Discord channel, even my VIP Discord. Yeah, we would love to have you guys. Okay, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 8th of May. So as you can see, the UK is having a bank holiday. My country, for the King's coronation. Yeah, they're having 2 bank holidays in one day, judging by this. So yeah, good luck to the King. After that, guys, as you can see, there's no other news of any interest, guys. So yeah, we're pretty free to trade on Monday. Yeah, we like these days. And that's it, guys. Yeah, that's the end of the video. If you've enjoyed my analysis, come join us, subscribe to the channel, also join the Discord channel, and check out everything in the video description. We've got loads of cool things happening. And don't forget to join us for the live stream. All right, guys, have a great trading day, and I'll hopefully see you later for the live stream. See you later.